Hold up, I wonder. Looks like God either is crying or he's having a dang dance party. Woo! He's having a whole nightclub up there. I wonder if God has made any like blah 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 blah. Alright, stop with the Christian talk. Let's just watch some lightning. A natural creation. Oh, we caught some! Oh, we caught something good! Oh, we saw one just strike all the way over there. I just saw one all the way over there. This is the perfect place to watch lightning because it's not, well, it's the most perfect place in my yard since you could just see it up there. And there's trees right there that kind of synetic, like, tell you where the lightning struck, kind of. So, if it was close, that light would be broken too. But you get what I'm saying. Dang, this boy is having a workout routine and he needs to get straight. I need to get myself back up again. Alright, not doing it anymore. I might take one of those long, like, photos that you just take it and kind of do this. And see how, like, right through some lightning to see if I can catch anything around. I want some pasta. More ravioli sounds good. I don't have any canned. I don't have a ravioli maker, so I'm stuck with. I have no more ravioli for me. I can make me an egg, an omelet. Mm. There's another store coming. Wow. I swear. Don't like and if next lightning that strikes. Alright, we're about to try to do something spiritual here. If there's anything here, can you make lightning strike? Like, is there a God? Let lightning strike. If you are here with me, may you please stop. Don't strike lightning if you're not here with me. Strike lightning if you are here with me. I want the really rough. A little bit more. Alright. You're not allowed to touch me all. You're not allowed to do anything to me. Family, friends, whatever. No one. You're not allowed to touch me. You're not allowed to communicate with me right now till I tell you to. Goodbye. Now let's just watch normal lightning, since I was getting actual direct responses. That's really funny. Hey, I need to check on my bat. I don't even know where it's at. But my bat, I try to fix it with some I don't even know, some adhesive. I don't even know what brand it is. It's probably off-brand. And I try to like spray it in the cracks of the bat. And it's the bat that I've been throwing for years, like down the street, and not even half of it is gone. I don't know how, since I've had my dad to run over it. I have like beat it on my bike. My bike metal is strong, by the way. Really is. Cause it didn't even put a dent in it. I have slammed it on my basketball goal. I have slammed it on the road or driveway. Why do you think that our sidewalk right here has so many holes in it? You think, oh, we had like a truck and do it. No, I beat a lot of holes in it. I'm scared. If there's a thunderstorm watch, I'm running inside. I've ran today, cross country practice, and my daily one walk on road. But I'm sprinting inside. Yeah, I'm gonna hide on my cover until if I see the rain stop, and I don't care about thunder and lightning. That's one of my favorite things. But if there's like a bad, like very bad one, like tornado watches everywhere and stuff like that, I'm jumping through my window. And mother gonna be like, "It does not touch the window.
You get inside.
Well, that's the fastest way to get inside.
Woo!
Lightning. Me bad. Stop! Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. You like that? Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Meow. Meow.
Alright, I'm gonna start doing, anybody that watches, I want you to comment something like, alright, so, I'm gonna have like, you know, creepy places, whatever, I'm gonna have a question. And the question that I thought of today is, would you rather stay one day in Waverly Hills Sanitarium, which used to be a tuberculosis hospital, yada yada, in Louisville, in Kentucky, which has, you know, things that they think is demons crawling up on the ceiling, and stuff like that, and it's also, you know, like, it's haunted and stuff like that, or spend one day at Stanley Hotel, which every room is haunted. You decide. Don't like, don't subscribe. And God's mad at me. And remember, cat eats from bowl.